Hey everyone, it's Neil Patel here for another Q&A Thursday. I'm here with Adam from Viewership.
Hello everyone.
And this week's question is?
This one is from 518 Painters. Thank you again everyone for their comments, and thank you 518 Painters. He's basically asking, should I pay someone from Fiverr to do 200 citations for $20, or is that risky and will Google punish the website?
So citations, first off, citations are different than links. Citations is someone mentioning you in an article, but they're not linking to you. And the supposed rumor, there's been a lot of stats and data on this, that if you get a lot of mentions, it could help increase your rankings. Now, Google's algorithm is much more sophisticated. When that research first came out years and years ago, I think it was released by Moz. David, was it Moz? Yeah, I think it was Moz. And it was an amazing article, but Google's algorithms have become much more sophisticated, where if you get a ton of citations, yes, cool, that's great, assuming they're relevant. If you go to Fiverr and you just get random sites mentioning you, like, it's not gonna do much for you. The bigger question that you need to worry about is, you shouldn't be really using Fiverr at all for anything related to marketing. You wanna pay someone on Fiverr to adjust an audio clip, create a song for your girlfriend or your spouse so you don't have to do something romantic because you're lazy. I see a lot of people doing that kind of stuff on Fiverr, but never use them for marketing. It's a great way to get banned. You're not gonna get banned by doing citations on Fiverr because they're not really leaving links. But if you pay them to leave links, or you try to get them fake Facebook likes or fake social shares, it's just gonna hurt you in the long run. Don't do it, don't use Fiverr. You have to worry not just about Fiverr. A lot of these sites, Upwork, Fiverr, a lot of these crowdsourcing sites that can help you get stuff done for cheap. Look at what they're doing. You usually get what you pay for. Upwork now has good quality people. You have to pay more for it, but they do have good talent on there. And a lot of people forget that because they're like, oh, Upwork just has crap. And like, well, if you paid 20 bucks or 10 bucks, yeah, you're gonna get crap. Same with Fiverr, $5. You can get images modified on Fiverr for dirt cheap, and they could be decent. But generally, don't pay people for citations, links,
fake views, likes, anything.
Yeah.
If you game the system, you are going to get punished by these companies. They're smarter than us.
I used to game the system. I used to buy links. Eventually, Google caught on. Years later, got banned. I used to buy fake Facebook likes to fan pages, and then Facebook changed their algorithm to, oh, if you have fans who don't engage, we're going to hurt your overall fan page score, and then no one's going to see your content. I used to buy fake YouTube likes, and then what does YouTube do once they notice that?
I almost got my, they will ban you. I almost got my Sexy Confidence YouTube channel banned within 3 days of starting it because I bought 20,000 views. Like, don't do it.
Dude, when YouTube first came out, I put a no script. You know what a no script is?
No.
Like this code on my website where if you visit my site and you're logged into Gmail, because Google bought YouTube at the time, they made a YouTube login at Gmail, you would automatically subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I was a top 100 YouTube channel in less than 30 days, which is kind of cool.
Yeah, it's super cool.
I had no videos uploaded. And then I uploaded a video and it did really well, and then YouTube just canned the account.
It must have been a different channel, right?
Yeah, it wasn't this one.
Yeah. Wow, okay.
But the point I'm trying to make is eventually you will get caught. Don't do short-term thinking. I used to do that kind of stuff because I wanted quick money. And I realized the best way to make money and get the rankings and do well isn't to do short-term stuff, it's to do long-term stuff. Because I would do the short-term stuff, make the money, and then it would go away and I'd be like, crap, now I'm off to the drawing board. I got to spend more money. I don't have the consistent income. Think long-term. Don't do any short-term shit.
And with artificial intelligence now, like, you're not getting away with this stuff. They're too smart now. It's not happening.
Yes.
So thank you so much for the comment, though. This is awesome, guys. More comments just like this really help us out a lot.
Thank you, 518 Painters.
518 Painters.
Yeah, 518 Painters.
Who's got 684 subscribers, so he's making some video content.
Yeah, good
as well.
for them.
Good job. Unless you bought it on Fiverr.
Don't tell them you bought it on Fiverr. But thank you for watching another Q&A Thursday video. If you have a question that you want answered next week, leave a comment below, let us know. Either way, I'm gonna be responding to every single comment. In addition to that, you like the video, like it, subscribe, tell other people about it, share it. Thank you very much.